I made a bit of a mistake in that I didn't video the removal of the subframe, but I'll tell you what I did anyway. So I started by putting a trolley jack underneath the diff. Then once I'd got it secured, I undid these two bolts here that hold this strut on. I then undid the four main bolts that go through the bushes that mount the subframe onto the chassis. And once I'd got them all undone, I just very slowly lowered the subframe out of the car, and it came out okay, remembering that I still had the prop shaft attached, which I'll show you that I later split from the diff. Here we can see the subframe is out of the car. By this point I've already removed the anti-roll bar, the rear anti-roll bar that had to be removed, although you can see that the drop link is still in place, which I later remove as I'm breaking down the whole assembly. I finally managed to separate the prop shaft from the diff, and any question I had about replacing this centre mount has all gone out the window because as you can see it's all split. The surprising thing is I was expecting to see a bolt. More correctly, I think I was expecting to see a nut, and there is no nut, which is worrying. And this is probably where I find out that this is a one-piece prop shaft with the mount built onto it. That sounds expensive. Anyway, we'll see what we find when I come to research it.